Hello. Our world is full of amazing animals. There are big ones, small ones, furry ones, scaly ones. How can we learn all about them? Scientists have a way to sort animals into groups based on what they're like. This helps them understand them better. First, we can put animals into two big groups. Vertebrates are animals with a backbone. Invertebrates are animals without a backbone. A backbone is like a built-in support system for the animal. Let's talk about vertebrates first. These are some animal groups you know really well. There are 5 main groups of vertebrates: mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. Mammals are animals like us, dogs, cats, and even whales. They have these things in common. They have either fur or hair. They drink milk from their mothers when they're babies, and they're warm-blooded. Next up, birds. Birds are easy to spot because they have feathers, wings, beaks, they lay eggs, and they are also warm-blooded. Fish live in water. They have gills to breathe underwater, fins to swim, scales, and they lay eggs. They are cold-blooded, which means they rely on the external temperature to raise their own body temperature. Reptiles have scaly, dry skin. They lay eggs, and they're also cold-blooded. Examples of reptiles are lizards, snakes, turtles, and crocodiles. Amphibians are special because they can live in both water and on the land. They have smooth, moist skin. They generally start their lives in water with gills and later develop lungs to breathe air. They lay eggs in water, and they are also cold-blooded. Well, that's the vertebrates, but there are even more animals without backbones called invertebrates. This group includes insects, spiders, worms, and many, many more. Invertebrates come in all shapes and sizes, and they're a very diverse group. Grouping animals helps us learn about them more easily, understand how they're related to each other, and allows us to protect them and their habitats. Animals are a big and important part of our world. By learning how they're grouped, we can better understand and appreciate all the amazing creatures that share our planet. Thank you for watching.